Hey guys, just wanted to show you this timer that I picked up. I love that it's magnetic and matches the decor pretty nicely. But I want to show you how it functions because this is not your average timer. Very simple to use, it's battery operated, and you actually have the option of making this on something that you put on the stand. Or in my case, I'm putting it actually on the oven right here because this happens to be a dual oven. Only has one timer, so that's a problem. It's good that we have a second timer now. It's great for also teaching kids how to cook, and I'm gonna show you how to actually set it. So just with the turn of the knob here, let's set it for 30 seconds so you can actually hear it go off. Press the button once, and it's starting to count down. There are many advantages to having a magnetic timer. As I stated, you can place it pretty much anywhere within vision. And if you are teaching kids how to cook, you need it to be lower. The numbers are very legible. You can keep it low, or in my case, I'm just gonna keep it right there. So we have 5 seconds left, and let's see how this timer sounds. 2, 1, and that's how it sounds. You just hit the button once again, and that's how this timer works. It's a great product. Easy to use, and we can see why it's very popular and simple. Thanks for watching.